Welcome to this presentation on MQTT, a powerful and versatile messaging protocol for the Internet of Things, IoT. MQTT is a lightweight messaging protocol designed for connecting devices in the Internet of Things. It's like a communication bridge between sensors, actuators, and applications. MQTT offers several advantages that make it ideal for IoT applications. It's lightweight, efficient, and scalable, making it perfect for connecting devices with limited resources. MQTT uses a set of methods for communication, including connecting, disconnecting, subscribing, unsubscribing, and publishing messages. It has three main components: publishers, subscribers, and a broker. The MQTT architecture is based on a publish-subscribe model. Devices act as publishers, sending messages to specific topics. Subscribers listen to these topics and receive relevant messages. The broker acts as a central hub, facilitating communication between publishers and subscribers. MQTT is widely used in various industries and applications, including healthcare monitoring, industrial automation, smart home systems, environmental monitoring, and transportation management. MQTT is a key technology driving the growth of the Internet of Things. Its simplicity, efficiency, and scalability make it a valuable tool for connecting devices and creating a more connected world.